Welcome to Sky Scout. Today we're exploring Racton Monument. Let's see the area from a red kite's perspective and find out what it has to offer drone pilots. Welcome to Sky Scout UK, the series where I scout out drone flying locations so that you know whether they're worth a trip. We're starting right here on the south coast, exploring my local haunts before potentially venturing further afield if the channel grows at all. It is an absolutely stunning morning here in West Sussex. I'm with my trusty helper at Racton Monument. We're planning to find out if this is a hidden gem or if it's one to skip. Let's hit the skies. Parking is fairly limited here, but in my experience it rarely fills up. There's a small lay-by at the bottom of Monument Lane with space for several cars. From there, it's around a 5-minute walk uphill along a gravel track. It's not a difficult hike, but if you're carrying plenty of camera gear, you'll certainly know about it by the time you reach the top. Racton Monument is an 18th century folly built between 1766 and 1775 for George Montague Dunk, the 2nd Earl of Halifax. It was designed by architect Theodosius Keene and was never intended as a defensive tower. Instead, it was built as a striking landmark overlooking the surrounding countryside. Nobody knows its exact purpose, but one popular theory is that Lord Halifax used to watch for ships returning to nearby Emsworth in Chichester Harbour. More romantic stories even suggest he watched the horizon in hope of seeing his son's ship safely return. Whatever the truth, the monument has stood here for over 250 years and remains one of Sussex's most recognisable landmarks. There are no permanent drone restrictions here, making it a fantastic place to fly. As always, it's worth checking for any temporary NOTAMs before you visit. Goodwood Airfield lies a few miles to the east, so make sure you're aware of your surroundings before taking off. Although the monument is regularly visited by walkers, it's also a Grade 2 listed building, so please be respectful when you visit the area. I definitely recommend visiting here later in the day as the sun begins to drop. The light swings around onto the field side of the monument, bringing the old brickwork to life with warm golden tones. Sunset is particularly beautiful here and gives the surrounding countryside a lovely soft glow. While the monument is the obvious star of the show, don't ignore the surrounding woodland. The nearby coppices are excellent hunting grounds for red kites and buzzards, and with a little patience you might spot them soaring overhead. If you do decide to film the wildlife, always keep a respectful distance and avoid disturbing their natural behaviour. For FPV pilots, this is where Racton Monument really comes into its own. If you choose to fly here, keep it slow, smooth and under complete control. This isn't the place for freestyle flying or taking unnecessary risks. Only attempt to explore the open interior if you're using a drone with reliable collision avoidance, and always treat this historic monument with the respect it deserves. From the upper window openings, you'll be rewarded with a perspective that few people ever get to experience. Looking out towards Chichester Harbour, it's easy to imagine Lord Halifax standing here more than 250 years ago, scanning the horizon in the hope of seeing his son's ship returning safely. It's a wonderful reminder that responsible flying can offer a unique way to appreciate our history. Now, what are my thoughts? This is an absolutely brilliant location and one I will definitely return to again and again. The monument is stunning from every angle, there's plenty of space to fly responsibly, and the surrounding countryside makes for some fantastic cinematic shots. The only reason it doesn't score a perfect 10 is the uphill walk with all your gear. Even so, I'm giving Racton Monument a solid 9. If you're happy with a short hike, this place is an absolute gem for both cinematic and FPV flying. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, a like and subscribe really helps the channel, and it also lets the YouTube algorithm know that this video isn't actually just for my dad to watch. Now all I've got to do is lug my kit back to the car, but at least it's downhill and I'm absolutely going to make my daughter carry the heavy bits anyway. You've been watching Sky Scout. Fly safe.